Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow.
What is that?
A straw.
A car.
Straw.
A car. Why don't you get in there?
Get in there.
Get in there.
Wow.
Oh, I'm just screw this. Just leave it.
Sit down.
Hit the
Drive it.
Here, Daddy, we'll fix that. Hit the gas. Hit that. No, with your foot.
Wow, dude.
Yeah.
What do you think? You like it?
In reverse. There you go. Forward.
Drive. Get it. Wow.
How cool is that? Huh? How cool is that?
Do you like it? Oh, put it in drive. There you go. Wow.
It's down, Dada.
I know. Hold on, Daddy, missed 2 screws.
Hunter, do you like it?
Uh-huh.
Did Santa bring this for you?
One more. Santa brought this for you.
He does.
Yeah, he did. We told you he was nice. You gonna go ride it today?
Uh-huh.
Alright, once it gets warmer, Mommy and Daddy will take you to go for a ride.
Right.
Or for a drive.
Now hurry up, Daddy.
We want Dada.
Alright, so that's good. Whoa! Car crash!
That's so cool.
Put it in reverse.
It's down, Dada.
What?
It's happy.
Are you getting out? You want to get out?
You gonna go open your other toys?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Let's go open your
Say goodbye to your car.
Bye, Michael.
We're coming.